In this video, I want to discuss how you get the most bang for your buck when doing home improvements. So we are now in the spring market, and obviously spring is a very popular time with most sellers and buyers when it comes to purchasing or selling real estate, simply because the weather is beautiful or it's getting beautiful and landscaping is starting to bloom. However, there are a few things that I want to discuss that will get you the most bang for your buck when you are doing home improvements. So my first key point is I don't want you to over improve your home at all. And what I mean by that is I don't want you spending a lot of money on a kitchen remodel or a bathroom remodel and not getting that return on investment. Now, what I do hear a lot is, hey, John, I want to spend $100,000 on my kitchen because this is going to be my forever home. And I always tell sellers to be careful with that. Now, obviously, stay within your budget. If that's within your budget, fine. But I just want you to know that over improving your home, you may not get a very good return. So my number two key point is you want to stick with the midline renovations. You want to do things that catches the eye. Like for instance, when you pull into the driveway, is the garage door showing in its best light? Does it need to be replaced? Does it need to be painted? How about your front door? Does that need to be touched up, painted, or replaced? Is your landscaping looking sharp and tidy? You want to make sure you put some fresh mulch down. You want to pull some weeds. Just make sure. I'm shooting this video to let you know that I don't want you over improving your home, spending money that you are not going to make a return on. So obviously, if you are thinking about that, I want you to have me over. Just call me, email me, or text me before you spend any money. And my third and final point is you need to be careful about the contractor that you hire. Okay, you need to do your research. If you do not have any idea where to turn, please reach out to me. I have a tried and true vendor list that we have had referrals and they've done very well. And obviously people that I trust as well. So if you have any questions regarding any of the 3 points that I just made, please reach out to me. I will come over, walk through your property and give you tips on what to do. More importantly, what not to do. So number one, you can save money, but you also get a return on your investment. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are here for you. Don't ever hesitate to reach out. You're never a bother. We hope to see you on our next video.